I feel like almost a rookie again. You know, it's just been nice coming to a new town, making a new drive and riding new tracks, new bike, new team, and it's just really refreshing. And like I said, I haven't been this excited to actually ride my motorcycle in a long time. So I'm loving it, and hopefully we can continue to have that feeling. And for me, I feel like this is home. Like I said, these are the guys that took the chance on me when I was a young kid, and that I really relate to, and I think we all have the same mentality, and you know, they're just family. At the end of the day, it's like family. So yeah, I think for me, I plan to be here as long as I race, and I wouldn't want to have it any other way to end my career here at some point. And you know, I don't know when that point is, but I definitely don't plan on being anywhere but here.